You know, a lot of people will create videos and say, oh, you can rank on Google 24 hours. Well, guess what? Those websites that are ranking for the most part, and I've seen a lot of these videos on YouTube, I'm just gonna blow you up here. Those websites have a humongous domain authority. So they're ranking either because they have a humongous domain authority, or they're ranking because they have synthetically created maybe a bunch of AI articles or something that Google's seeing. And I can tell you that within due time, very quickly, Google will take away that ranking from them. So know that ranking in 24 hours is not the goal. What you want to do in SEO always is focus on the long term. It's just like when you get into the gym, that first day you feel great, but as you keep going, you go through kind of a roller coaster up and down. Focus on the long term though, where you want to get, where you want to rank, and don't just think of, well, is this ranking right away? Think of, am I maintaining the rankings and climbing and staying where I want to be?